what's going on, everyone? So today we are back on the basement job. And we have got a lot done. We're pretty much almost completely wrapped up with it. We got all the trim work done. It's all trimmed out for the most part. We got door handles, and we got to put permanent lighting up. We actually started to do that last week and had to end up taking a fan back because it was wrong, or they didn't give us a piece in the box. So we got to build our wet bar there. That's all that's for. Me and Zach's gonna attempt to get that done today. We still got this piece of trim here, which I totally forgot to plane down this weekend. But the bathroom is taking shape. Pretty much all trimmed out. We still got like touch-ups to do on our ends, where the board, where we had to cut the boards because the baseboard and other stuff was to be staying. This room we took down the temporary lighting in. We got the stairs done. That's the light for the top of the stairs. I just freaking love that. I think that turned out really, really good. We got around our posts done. They're anchored to the floor. I don't know, probably could have went one by, but I didn't want them breaking. So we got lights, outlets, door handles, wet bar, and that piece of trim over there, and everything is wrapped up here. But now the next thing that we're going to be doing here, which just kind of come in last minute, I guess, is he wants us to design and furnish it. We do that. It's just on a rare occasion that we do that. So this room is one of them I need to lay out and just try to figure out what we want. His main goal will be to get a king bed and a set of bunk beds in each of these bedrooms. Not sure we're going to be able to get that, but we're going to try. Especially this room and the room on the other side of that wall are the exact same size, but this room's got the bump out here for HVAC and hot water tank and support post right here. So that's kind of going to play a part in it. So I'm gonna put some tape on the floor and try to design this, because he wants these beds built. He wants the bunk beds built into the walls, and same with the actual bed, or the king bed. So my idea is maybe we have to do a queen in here for size wise and put twins in the bunk beds, or we do a king coming out this way with a twin, just one single twin going over top the head. I don't know, we'll see. Or try to get a set of bunk beds in here. I'm just not sure yet. We got to get this all figured out first. This room over here, well, it's dark, but it would be a whole lot easier to see and explain if we had lighting up, but we don't right this second. But I think what we're going to do is king bed coming out this way, bunk beds over here in the corner, bada bing, bada boom, done. So Clayton is straightening up the lumber in the job trailer, and then we're gonna get on something. I'm gonna probably spend a little bit of time first thing before Zach and Cody get here, just doing some laying out, because we're gonna design the whole thing, furniture and all. Not really something I offer that I do, but we do it. So we're gonna hang a big screen there. Plus I think we're gonna build a mantle under it. It's in the tops. I think we're gonna have a couch here, kind of like an island on behind the couch. Games over there. Not real sure about this corner. wet bar, bedroom. So you guys get the gist. I've rambled on enough here, so let me get underway and we'll catch up here in a second. Alright, well, Zach's here. We're working on these bays. So we're gonna get this thing together and we'll throw you guys up here on time lapse while we knock this thing out. Alright, well, that's what we got so far. We're gonna wrap it in metal, trim it out. We got butcher block over there. It's not true, butcher block, couldn't find one the right size. We found that one the right size. We got the bedroom figured out. Like we were saying in the beginning, we're gonna do a queen over here, set of bunks over here. Over there, we're gonna do a king set of bunks. Clayton's got the light put together, ready for us to hang it. He's working on the one.
I'll play it at the moment.
What's that?
I said I'm playing at the moment.
Oh, Zach's playing. And Clayton's got that one all nice together. Cody got that one hung up there. So we're gonna get after it. I got to leave here in a few. I gotta run to a meeting and then we'll be back. Alright, well, I've been back for a little while and we pretty much got the sink wrapped up. Sink's in. We got a door built for it. It's getting stained at the moment. And I got the stair railing built. We still got to put the wire in between like we did on some of the other jobs. And we got a few little miscellaneous pieces of trim. So it's coming along pretty good. So we'll catch up with you guys. We're going to take 5 and throw you guys up here on time lapse while we bust some of this out. Alright, well, I don't know where I left off on this yesterday, but it's a new day and the punch out list is done. As you guys just seen, we got it all complete. Yes, this is extremely high, but standard height's 42 inches for a wet bar. We got the wire railing on. We got our trim board here on. We cleaned the bathroom up a little bit. Got everything complete. I'm excited. This job really didn't take us that long, but we started it in February and it's now November. We just were working around schedules. So, farmhouse light. This room here is going to have a king in it and a set of bunk beds. We've got the stairs that we burnt. You'd see in prior videos. This is going to be like a lounge room with a couch and recliner and stuff. Big screen TV. Game area. I think we're going to build like a stand there. We still got tape up on the windows so guests can't see in and complain. This is a little storage closet. This is going to be another bedroom. This one's going to have a queen and a set of bunk beds in it. It's an HVAC, hot water tank, so this room's quite a bit smaller. But that's going to do it for this one. This is the last one that's going to come out for the build. So probably the next ones, if I bring you guys along, is we're going to build some beds for in here and set everything up and get it ready for renters. So goal is next couple weeks have it done for him. So I thank you guys for this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch up with you guys on whatever next project we come up with.